Accidentally switched Mullvad Browser to a language you can't read, or do you just want to change the language to something more comfortable? In this video, I'll show you how to find the language settings and change the browser to the language you want. Start by opening the menu using the three lines in the top right corner. Even if the interface is in another language, the settings option is always the fourth item from the bottom, so click that. On the left side, make sure you're in the General section, which is the first option in the menu. Then scroll down until you reach the area just above the Download Location setting. A good way to recognize it is by the two checkboxes you'll see there. Under Language, open the drop-down menu and choose the language you want to use. Each language is displayed in its own native language, making it easier to find the correct one, even if you can't read the current interface language. Once you've selected a language, click Apply and Restart. Mullvad Browser will restart and the interface will appear in the language you selected. You'll also notice a Set Alternatives option next to the language menu. Here you can add multiple languages and arrange them in order of preference. The first language in the list is used by default, and if content isn't available in that language, Mullvad Browser will automatically try the next one in the list. That should be everything you need to get Mullvad Browser back into a language that feels comfortable and easy to use. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide made the process a little less confusing. I'll see you in the next video.